Hi guys, I hope you are all doing great. Today I will show you how to germinate seeds of adenium with just a tissue paper. That was a very fun experience as almost every seed successfully germinated within a week. I am so excited right now to share the results. Couple of months back, I hand pollinated one of my adeniums. It's almost brown now, that means I can take out the seed pod. Just remove the rubber bands and harvest it with clean sharp razor blade. I have tied with rubber bands because seeds can literally spread out when the seed pod pops open after ripening. Generally, adenium seeds have some fiber-like things attached to both ends. These things help the seeds fly a long distance when wind blows. Carefully take out the seeds and rip off those fibers. Light is an important factor for adenium seed germination. So, we will need a clear plastic box and a tissue paper. I am using an empty chocolate box for this purpose. You can literally take any plastic container with a lid that allows light to pass through. Take a tissue paper, fold it and place it flatly inside the box just like this. We have to sterilize the tissue with fungicide solution as adenium seeds are very prone to fungal rot. Now we will soak the tissue with fungicide solution and then drain out extra water. The most important thing to keep in mind is that the tissue shouldn't be soggy at all. You can use any fungicide available in the market, it's not a problem. You can sprinkle the seeds above the surface or you can arrange them one by one, leaving some gap in between so they don't tangle with each other. And then with a tweezer or a forceps, make final adjustments. I will cover the lid so that moisture retains inside the box. Finally, place the box in a bright spot away from direct sunlight and occasionally check for moisture. Within a week, seeds will start germinating. That's when our next step begins. Tissue doesn't have any nutrition for the seedlings. So we will need to repot them in a specific potting mix good for adenium seedlings. Ideal potting mix for them should be well draining and nutrient rich for initial growth. To match all these criteria, I will take 50% sand, 30% coco peat and 20% leaf mold. To moisten up the potting mix, we have to sprinkle water. But I will mix very little amount of fungicide with water as two things can be done in one go. One, it will moisten up the potting media and another, the potting mix also becomes sterile. Now make holes with an used pen and firmly place one seedling per hole. Keep the pot away from direct sunlight for about 5 to 7 days. This way, not even a single seedling will die. After 3 weeks, see the result. Seedlings are healthy and leafing out slowly. Here's what I did in 3 weeks. 1. Adenium seedlings don't need much water. So I just gave them a mist from the top whenever potting mix seemed dry. 2. I sprayed fungicide once in a week to prevent fungal attack. 1 gram of fungicide into 1 liter of water is enough for the job. 3. For good growth, seedlings needs to be hardened off gradually. So I took a piece of newspaper, covered the whole pot and kept it in a sunny area. This way, sunlight gets filtered through the newspaper and light intensity is controlled. The last thing is, I didn't even feed them at all, not for once. Remember, I used leaf mold into potting mix at the time of repotting. That is enough nutrition until seedlings produces 5 to 6 leaves. Apart from tissue, adenium seeds can be grown in sand also. I will love to make a video on that one. Let me know what do you think in the comments below. Also, don't forget to subscribe Gardening Escape for more gardening tips and tricks. Thanks for watching guys. Stay fit and happy gardening.